Hey, what's going on, guys? So in today's video, I will show you how you can add money to your Venmo. So let's start. So first, make sure that you already linked your bank account to your Venmo account before you can do these steps. Alright, so first let's go back to your dashboard here, and here go to Manage, besides where it says Venmo Balance. Now here, select Add Money from the options below. So here you have two options. You can go for Instant, which transfers your funds instantly with a maximum of $500 per week, or you can choose Standard, which has no limit but takes 3 to 5 business days to process. So for this one, let's go with Instant. Now enter the amount you wish to add to your Venmo, and after that you can tap on Next. So here, choose where you want to get the funds from your connected bank accounts. And when you're done choosing, you can just tap on Add Now. So here you can see that our Venmo balance increased from $8 to now $10.50. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. This is how you can add money to your Venmo. I hope this video is helpful, and I will see you on the next one.